I look silly, clapping my hands in front of the camera.
Di daw mi dapat silduan kay di mi deserving para sa distance learning.
But I just give them a smile and tell them that there's a brighter future despite the challenges that I'm hurdling, especially in the teaching profession.
Hi mga Bai! This episode of Bai Chats is a little bit more special, a little bit more smiling, and a little bit stronger. We are partnering with Colgate Philippines in their advocacy, Smile Strong. We have invited 5 Cebuano teachers to come and chat about their experience in teaching amidst the pandemic and why they continue to smile strong despite the challenges that they have to face. May this video be a message of optimism to achieve a brighter future. Enjoy mga Bai!
Hello.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hi!
Hi!
I am Mr. James Francis Aguas. I handle grades 9 and 10 level of the junior high school department, and I have been teaching for the past 17 years.
I'm just Tony Babia. I'm currently the Dean of the School of Education of University of San Jose Recoletos. I'm also a teacher and I have been teaching for 13 years already.
My name is Rhea Angel May E. Abelia, 6 years public school teacher in grade 3.
I am John Relayos, teaching mathematics for 12 years.
Nganong nag-teacher ka?
I became a teacher because I was inspired by my junior high school teacher. The present value system I have, the principles I have or I hold dear in my life are still evident now.
I became a teacher because I'd like to see the wonderful smiles of the children.
Gusto na ko mausab ang perception sa mga bata about sa mathematics kaya tuman sila gud nga isud jud ang math.
My aunt, my uncle, and even my mother is a teacher.
What part of your profession do you love most?
To actually see different kids working together and at the same time embracing different challenges.
Being able to let the little children smile, you know.
Ingon sila ang pagtudlo ko no is makapabata nimo tinuod man pud kay ang makaakod mo gud na ilahang good vibes, ilang positivity in life.
The feeling that what I tell them or what piece of advice I give them is still something that they hold dear, even if they have already grown to be adults.
What is the hardest part of your job?
Kadang ma-attach na kag maayo sa mga estudyante. Nga usahay makalimot na kang nasa day kayong kaugalingong kinabuhi.
To be perfect in the eyes of everyone. We are also human like you, so makakumit din mistake.
How to unfold the talents of each child because, you know, each child is different and they're special in different ways.
What challenges have you faced or heard in terms of distance learning?
Daghan nag-ingon nga mga maestra ko no kay di angay swelduhan.
Bisag nag-distance learning niya ang ginikanan mo ay nagtudlo sa mga bata ron sa balay. The way I responded to it is in a positive way na lang. Since kuan man ko kanang active ko sa social media, so I created a meme. Sa ni viral to na murag na open sa mga mind sa parents nga di sad lalim among part sa school.
Kung kamo matumo sa eskwelahan o kamo makita sa gibuhat yung tanan sa mga teacher, makakita mo nga 3 times to 4 times ang gidaghanon sa trabaho sa mga maestra.
We in the Philippines have a very intermittent connection, and that intermittent connection actually gives us the struggle, especially for our kids, to connect with the processes, the teaching and learning processes. However, despite all those challenges nga nakita nako, so the students also gets to find time and solutions by really connecting with other students as well, and at the same time they actually get to connect as well with me, and that makes it all worthwhile.
The first challenge that I met being a preschool teacher is changing my way of teaching from being very physical with the children to being online, which is very difficult for us. Somehow, you know, my friends or some other people would say that I look silly and I look crazy, you know, dancing and clapping my hands in front of the camera. But I'm doing all this for the children that I'm teaching. I'm doing this so that these children will have a good experience with the online classes, you know. And also this will really build them up and give them a brighter future.
What keeps you smiling strong?
When times are hard, what keeps me smiling strong is when I see my students smiling at the same time. The smiles are radiating from within, and that smiles greatly influence the positivity that I also see as a person and as a teacher. That little smile that tickles my heart as well make me realize that I would love to continue teaching.
I always return to the root of this all, how I learned to love this job, how I would want to always touch the lives of these children that I'm teaching. There's a saying that if you love what you do, then you don't have to work a day in your life. That's what keeps me smiling strong.
As a teacher, what actions will you take to achieve a brighter future?
Siguro gamiton ako ang kwarta sa pag-establish siguro og kanang libreng sakay. Kay karon man gud sa panahon sa pandemic, especially amo ang lugar nga akong gitudloan is walay ruta, maghabal-habal ra gyud niya. Usa sa mga rason sa mga estudyante nga di sila makaadto or sa mga parents is walay pamiliti, walay kuan. So mas maayo unta to kung naa mangali masakyan sila, mga muhatod ug mukuha nila. Nindot kayo daw kay matabang sa mga parents.
I would love to create a project or a program for the kids. And this program is actually teaching the kids on how to have a positive outlook and at the same time develop a good personal dental hygiene so that they can still wear that wonderful smile ahead.
Maybe siguro maghimusad ko og project nga adopt a child. So mag-choose ko siguro ko mga deserving nga bata para sa akong adopt a school program.
I have a soft spot for deserving students. Siguro mukuan ko mag-create ko og kaning scholarship for very deserving students to go to school.
Wala pa magali sobra siguro, himo ta og ng library, not the usual nga library siguro, ang library nga maka-focus sa mga interest sa bata, especially kanang video editing, mga inana nga anang something new ba.
In our nearby community, a lot of children has missed the school year last year because of the pandemic. So I can maybe help them in any way so that I would be able to bring learning available, to them, to these children who miss school. And of course, as a mother, I would also be very happy so that this would really help me to bring my son to the college or the university that he would want.
On a personal level, actually, kaslunon ko karong August. So siguro ipuno na ko sa among renovation sa among balay.
I have been teaching for 13 years and I think I also deserve to have that reward for myself.
What advice can you give to help others smile strong from within?
Helping should come as a natural extension for all teachers, no? And as facilitators of learning, we should be the epitome for change. We have to give feedback to students. We also have to give them validation that their dreams, aspirations, and what they want to pursue are still valid in today's world. Because some of them, na sila apprehension ba na nag-pandemic man, di na lang ko mo pangandoy. So sayop, kinahanglan ta mo pursue gihapon sa atong dreams and ambitions.
You don't have to do everything perfectly. Just try your best all the time.
Iso diha ta og advice no, pero mura gyud akong advice nila is pray, work harder, repeat. Ana lang gyud.
When you smile, what message do you want it to mean?
Means being Filipino, because being Filipino is actually a symbol of resilience. Everyone gets to continue with life no matter how hard these struggles could be. Whatever challenges they experience, they will always learn how to step up and at the same time how to think of many other positive steps or engagements towards a brighter and a better future.
When you smile, you also want to express that you are strong, that amidst the ordeal, the difficulties, and the challenges thrown at you, you are still ready. The future may still be bleak, but you have to rise up to the occasion, dress up, be strong, just keep smiling because the future is still bright.
Hardships build us up. It makes us better people. Laban lang, smile strong.
Mga bay, deserve dyan ninyo ang bright future where you can smile strong just like our teachers today. Dream ba ninyo mag-business? Ready na bang edukasyon sa inyong mga anak? Protektado na ba ang panglawas sa pamilya? Maong appeal na mo sa Colgate Smile Strong for Millions and gamita ang prizes sa pagkabot sa inyong bright future. Visit colgatesmilestrong.com for more details.